Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
What if you could turn one idea into 10 finished books in a single day? Check this. This is quietly becoming one of the easiest side incomes out there. People with zero writing or drawing experience are already publishing and already selling, using nothing but an idea. No writing, no drawing, no hiring anyone. Give me the next few minutes, and I'll show you exactly how, with real numbers, not hype. You've probably had an idea before. A comic, a kid's book, something you knew people would enjoy, and then real life got in the way. You can't draw. Writing a full story is harder than it sounds. And hiring it out? That's $1,000, easily, before you've made a single sale. So the idea just sits there. Not because it was a bad idea, because finishing it felt impossible. Here's a story worth knowing. A kid with ADHD, who used to get sent to sit alone in the school hallway, doodled a goofy superhero in his notebook. That doodle became Captain Underpants. Scholastic says it sold over 90 million copies. No publishing deal, no design team, just an idea and a way to get it out of his head. And the market for this kind of content isn't shrinking. It's growing fast, nearly doubling by 2033. The opportunity is real. What's usually missing is a way in. That's why we built ComicAgent AI. And I want to explain this part carefully because it's the whole point. This isn't a prompt box that hands you one image and leaves you to figure out the rest. It's an agent. It does the actual work. You give it one idea, it writes the story. It illustrates every page. It keeps your character looking exactly the same from the first page to the last, which is where almost every other AI tool falls apart. It builds your cover. It can turn your comic into a video. It even builds the page you'd sell it on. You're not operating this software. You're pointing it at an idea and letting it finish the job. So let's go back to that promise. 10 books, one day. Let's actually walk through the math. The old way. That's realistically years of work, and $10,000 or more if you're paying writers and illustrators along the way. Here's what Amazon actually pays. 70% royalty on Kindle books priced between $2.99 and $9.99. So if you price a book at $9.99, you keep about $6.79 of every sale. That's Amazon's own published rate, not a guess. Now let's stay modest, really modest. Just 5 sales a month per book. 10 books, 5 sales each. That's $339 a month. Every month, from work you finished in a single day. Do that again the following week, and you've essentially doubled it. You're not working harder. You're just finishing more of the ideas you already have. And comics are really just the starting point. Coloring books, storybooks, worksheets, a full branded website built for your characters, translated automatically so you can reach buyers in other countries too. When it's time to actually sell, the marketing agent builds your ad copy, your social posts, and your email sequence for you. You're not just creating something, you're set up to actually sell it. If you tried to piece this together with separate tools, you'd likely be paying over $100 a month and still doing all the connecting work yourself. ComicAgent AI replaces that entire stack. One dashboard, one price. Here's the offer. Everything you just saw. A full commercial license, so every sale is entirely yours. No monthly fees. And you're covered by a 30-day money-back guarantee. If it's not for you, you get every cent back. The risk is on us, not you. One honest thing before you go. This price won't stay $19 forever. Once this window closes, it moves to $97 a month, going forward. So today really is the simplest, most affordable this will ever be. If you've got an idea sitting in your head, right now is a good time to see what it could become. Click below, and let's get started.